Hello everyone, this is Ellie from Elfsight. Let's build your website translator widget and install it on your website with no coding in less than 2 minutes. Let's jump in and see how it works. Go to elfsight.com and open the Widgets menu. Find Website Translator, then click Create Widget to open the live editor. From here, you can start building your widget right away. Start by choosing a template. This will define the basic look of your translator. Click Continue with this template. Now you can customize your widget to your liking. In Languages tab, you can add or remove any language from the list. The languages will instantly appear in the preview. Now go to the Design tab. Here you can pick the style of your switcher, flag and text, only text, or other variations. You can also adjust background and border colors to match your website's design. Finally, open Settings. Choose the embed type, inline or floating, depending on where you want the switcher to appear. You can also exclude certain parts of your website from translation, or add custom CSS and JS for more advanced control. Finish the setup and hit Add to Website to move on. Sign up or log into your account. Click Publish. Then choose the free plan to continue. You'll see a pop-up with your installation code. Click Copy Code. Now you can install the widget on your website. If you need more detailed instructions, you can check out our tutorials, where you'll find step-by-step guides on embedding widgets into specific platforms, pages, and templates. Your widget can also be shared via a direct link. If you'd prefer not to set it up yourself, simply ask for a free installation from our support team. We'll take care of all the technical steps and make sure your widget is up and running. Now, let's see how to add the plugin to all pages of your WordPress website. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to the Tools section and select Theme File Editor. In the Parts section on the right sidebar, open the file named footer.html. Paste the previously copied code there. Then click Update File. Now the plugin will appear on all pages of your website. Similarly, you can insert the plugin elsewhere on your site, for example, in the header or any specific section you prefer. And that's it. Your widget is ready for visitors. All set in just a few minutes. If you enjoyed this video, support Elfsight, like, subscribe, and ask us anything in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your day.